UPPSC CLS exam 2012. The LCM and HCF of two numbers x and y are 3 and 105 respectively. Here HCF is 3 and LCM is 105. Okay. If x plus y equal to 36, then the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y is 1, 1 by 6, 12 by 3, 1, 5, 4 by 35. Now let's see. The numbers be x and y. Therefore, LCM of two numbers equal to 105 and HCF of two numbers equal to 3. We know that product of two numbers equal to product of LCM into HCF. Therefore আমরা কি পেলাম, or product of two number that is xy equal to LCM 105 into HCF 3. Therefore xy equal to 315. Okay, we have x plus y equal to 36. We have x plus y equal to 36. Therefore we find the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to xy LCM লসাগু হলো উপরে y plus x, that is y plus x by x plus y equal to 36 by xy equal to 315. ওকে, কাটাকুটি করো, 4 দিয়ে কাটলে 4 9 3 দিয়ে কাটছি, 3 12 36, 3 1 3 0 5. ওকে, 3 দিয়ে কাটলে 3 4 12, 3 3 9, 1 15, 3 5 15, that is 4 by 35, 4 by 35. The answer is D, 4 by 35.